Carlos, in charge of the recruitment. How can I help you today?
My name is Renee, and I would like more information about the position because I don't interest to work in this hotel because I get started at the hotel and I can see that the hotel is very very famous. So I would like to work here because I read that the owner is acceptable. That is person that cares with the employees. So I would like, I don't interested.
Perfect, that is impressed. Perfect. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, I'm 21. I'm very young, but I'm a student. So I'm studying my bachelor's degree. That is focused on literacy. That's the reason that I'm here. And before to this, I studied my technical career. And I did my internship in the red place that is in the Riviera Maya. And I was a receptionist and concierge. I did the two positions. And I think that I have the experience about this. So I would have a position that I can interact with the person, with customers, and I can express all my skills.
Okay, perfect. You search examples. We have receptionist, contact of the guests, 24 hours. Yes. And also, we have the guest service. Guest service advice of the guests. Example, is in charge to bring every information about the hotel. And we have the relationship, resolve of the problems of everything happens. Okay, what do you think about it?
Maybe receptionist because I have experience, but I would like something more. I don't know. What do you think about me? Do you think that I can do the same in a relationship? I don't know.
About your CV, you are proactive, yes, and honest.
I'm very focused in my objectives. I would like to improve and learn more about the positions. I would like to learn about everything.
Okay, perfect. I think better in this position. The recruitment is very hard. Your responsibility, your focus, to resolve the problem. But I consider as a relationship.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. In what did you do in your previous job?
Okay, I did check-ins and check-outs. So I can interact with the customers. I can tell everything, and I can use the computer, Excel, Microsoft. I know that my English now is better, but every day I improve my English. This is the first situation that I would like to work with you because I'm conscious that I need to speak English. So I think that this is the learner need to learn because when I finish my bachelor's degree, I need to have my TOEFL with B2. So I need to study.
Perfect. That's wonderful. Good cover, lady. Okay. Where do you see yourself in the next few years?
Okay. I see like to travel to various countries because I would like to sell but with the hotel. Like to promotions, like to finish
move and you didn't have problem to move another country in this company?
No, because this is one of my goals. I would like to meet another country.
Okay. That sounds like promise career path. Okay.
But I can do it if I stay in the relationship. Yeah, I don't know. I can do it if I choose the position with the relationship.
Yes, that's excellent. Yes, example, we have in Italy, we have the very specific hotel, luxury, experience, but it's much better the high position of the level in Milan, Italy. And it's necessary to send these people with every experience or to train in another country. Why? Because in the future, is the bureau of the Mexico.
Okay, I have a question. In how many time I can do it?
It's depends on you. It's up to you. Why? Because you effort, you're very active, proactive, and every day you improve to learn more English, to learn another language. You can get the promotion for to travel to example. In the future, in 2 years approximately, the next hotel change could be United States, New York, USA, and it's the principal motivator for the staff to effort to improve the English, to improve another certificate when the date is to come in song, it's more easy to apply and to get the result for to move in another country.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe in 3 years if I practice in my office, no more.
One more time to repeat, this depend on you. It depend on you. It depend your skills, abilities, and I don't know in this time starting what will you do to get in what time.
Okay.
Yes, it depends on you because example we have too many guys to get this experience in 2 years, and also we have another person in 5 years and 10 years. It depends on you. You are proactive.
No, this is one of my goals, so I need to.
Perfect. You demonstrate. You change your mental program, and you get this position. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have very important question. If you were faced with a challenging situation at work here, example in the relationship, how would you handle it?
Okay. If I am foresee a situation, I will assess the problem fully and then take a decisive action to resolve it. And I believe if they practice it and find the solution rated at the ability of the issue.
Perfect. Okay, final question, and it's very important question for this position. Super important. Relaxing and describe in your own words. It means to be a leader.
Okay. The leader is a person that motivates the employees and help us. And I think that is a big difference to a boss and to a leader. And the leader is the person that demonstrate that the bad situation nice stuff, that you can learn about it and
Perfect. Thank you very much for sharing your skill, your experience, your abilities, your everything. Well, English, very powerful. The next step is the hearing the process. Congratulations, and you waiting the email, and the next step, you can do it.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and I hope to see you in
Okay.
the next.